Hello my developers and AI content creators. On today's video, I actually bring to you a powerful AI tool called Storm MCP. If you ever wish that ChatGPT could connect to your apps, your files, your database, Storm MCP has made it easier. It serves as the bridge to make ChatGPT to connect to all these your files. We all know that ChatGPT is smart, but it cannot reach your personal data or your company's tools and data. That is where Storm MCP comes in, because it's going to connect ChatGPT to your personal data and is very secure, very easy to navigate. Storm MCP give you access to over 30 secured servers. No coding needed. It is not complicated at all. No complicated setup. You just choose what you need and Storm MCP is going to handle the rest, connecting you to the server. Now, this is actually perfect for developers, perfect for website builders, perfect for AI content creators, perfect for anybody that use AI to do basically anything for your business, whatever it is. To get started, you want to come over to your browser and search for stormmcp.ai. So this is what the website is going to look like. As you can see, we have a list of so many verified servers that you can connect to. Now, for you to get started, you want to click on Start Free right here. As a new user, you want to scroll down and click on Register. It's going to ask you to provide your email, your password, your first name, and so on and so forth. Then click on Agree and click on Register. If you still don't understand this tutorial before we get started, then you can come over here, click on Information. You can watch video tutorials, you can read their blog posts, and you can talk to Storm MCP customer care. So when you click on videos, you'll be able to see this tutorial video that will explain in depth what you need to know about using this website. Now, to connect to their social media platform, to Storm MCP social media platform, you can follow them on Discord, on YouTube, on dev.to, on LinkedIn, on Reddit, on Twitter, and on Discourse forum. Okay, now to know the new updates, you want to click on what's new. You'll be able to see the updates right here. To talk to an agent or a customer care representative, you can join their Discord and so on and so forth. To read the blog post, as you can see, this AI tool is trending. Okay, this is the real deal. This is the real deal. So you can just read more. You'll be able to see so many blog posts that will help you to navigate what Storm MCP is and how to make use of this to its fullest potential. Okay, I advise you read the blog post. If you are a developer, if you're a website builder, if you are an AI content creator, you are a product designer, and so on and so forth, come over here and start making use of this tool. Okay, so I just click on this app section right here. As you can see, these are the servers that you can connect to. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm just going to search for Super, because I use this one a lot. I use this to build my website. So I'm just going to search for Super Base. I'm going to click on Connect. Now you want to put your access token right here. I'm just going to do that. Then I'm just going to click on Connect. As simple as ABC, I'm already connected. Very easy. It takes less than 1 second. Now, after that, I'm going to click on Gateway. I'm going to click on Create your first gateway. Now, as you can see, Superbase is already connected. You want to input a production API gateway. Now, you can use it with ChatGPT when you ask something that needs real data. Storm MCP bridge the request and bring back the answer. Now, one of the many features I love about Storm MCP is that it is very fast. Like, the setup is fast, number one. Number two, it is safe connection. Okay, there's nothing like maybe is this risky or not. It is very safe and no coding needed. You don't have to be a tech guru. You don't have to have any tech experience for you to navigate this website, and you'll be able to get more powerful results with any data research or anything that you want to do regarding AI. Okay, so that brings us right into the end of today's video, guys. If you want ChatGPT to connect to your personal data or your personal files, head over to Storm MCP now. Link pinned in my video description. You are going to get started for totally free. Also, let me know what you think in the comment section, if you've ever tried Storm MCP before, or if you just want to try it. And if you have any question navigating the website, just let me know. Just drop a comment in my comment section. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. But before I go, if you find this video valuable, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment. Share this video to anyone that needs to see it. Everybody needs to start using AI in 2025. I say this all the time, okay? So please get your hands at this, and I wish you good luck.